Chapter 1. Listening. Pheromones. Listen to a lecture in a biochemistry class. The professor is discussing pheromones.
Okay, so how's everybody doing today? All right? Good. Let's get started. So, this morning, we'll be discussing pheromones, chemical messages sent from one organism to another. What kind of messages? Well, the first pheromones discovered were more like chemical love letters, a method used by female silkworm moths to attract mates. The female basically sends out a signal that tells the male she is ready to mate. And these signals can be quite strong. In fact, scientists now know that many females of the butterfly and moth species release pheromones that males within a 10-kilometer radius can pick up on. Now, that's some kind of powerful communication device. So, how do these pheromones work? Well, they can be either scented or odorless, and all types of animals detect them through what is called the VNO, an organ that is part of the olfactory system, which is related to the sense of smell. And once detected, the VNO sends the chemical message to receptor neurons in the brain. And this causes some sort of reaction or response on the part of the animal. Now, while it's true that pheromone communication is well documented in the animal kingdom, does it apply to humans and human mating behavior? Well, a number of researchers are coming up with evidence that this may, in fact, be the case. Interestingly, the strong feelings associated with romantic love may be in some part linked to pheromones. It seems that females can pick up on male pheromones that identify gene composition in male body odor. Now, in order to produce the strongest offspring, it is important to choose a mate with a different genetic makeup. This is because different genes are good at attacking different invaders, such as bacteria or viruses. Therefore, a newborn with a greater variety of genes has a better chance at fighting off disease. So, women somehow can sense through pheromone communication which male will provide her children with the best immune systems. And this, of course, improves her children's chances of survival. So, ladies, the next time you think you love him for his good looks or his winning personality, think again. Instead, it may have everything to do with your nose and the way he smells. Ooh!
Listen again to part of the lecture.
What kind of messages? Well, the first pheromones discovered were more like chemical love letters, a method used by female silkworm moths to attract mates. The female basically sends out a signal that tells the male she is ready to mate.
Why does the professor say this?
Well, the first pheromones discovered were more like chemical love letters,